Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 16th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from BOK Financial. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. BOK Financial has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from record earnings per share to significant loan growth.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BOK Financial reported a net income of $177 million for the fourth quarter, translating to a record $2.89 per share. For the full year, net income was $578 million, or 9.7 cents per share. John, what does this tell us about the company's profitability?
These figures indicate a robust financial performance. The quarterly EPS of $2.89 significantly exceeded the analyst's forecast of $2.13, showcasing BOK Financial's ability to outperform expectations. The annual EPS of 9.7 cents also marks a record, reflecting strong operational execution throughout the year.
Net interest income and margin expansion. Net interest income for the quarter was $345.3 million, with a net interest margin of 2.98%. This represents an increase of $7.6 million from the previous quarter. John, how significant is this margin expansion?
The margin expansion to 2.98% from 2.91% is quite significant, especially in a competitive interest rate environment. It indicates that BOK Financial is effectively managing its interest-earning assets and liabilities, which is crucial for maintaining profitability in the banking sector.
Loan and deposit growth. Moving on to loans and deposits, BO Financial saw a loan growth of $786 million, bringing total loans to $25.7 billion. Deposits also grew by $935 million to $39.4 billion. What does this growth signify, John?
This growth in both loans and deposits is a positive indicator of BOK Financial's expanding market presence and customer base. The increase in commercial loans, in particular, highlights the bank's strong position in the business lending sector, while the deposit growth provides a solid funding base for future lending activities.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operating expenses decreased by $8.7 million this quarter, with personnel expenses down by $3.6 million. However, non-personnel expenses saw a slight increase. How does this reflect on BOK Financial's operational efficiency?
The decrease in operating expenses, particularly in personnel costs, suggests that BOK Financial is optimizing its workforce and managing costs effectively. The slight increase in non-personnel expenses is manageable and likely tied to strategic investments. CEO Stacy Kymes emphasized this quarter as a strong capstone to a year of outstanding performance, indicating confidence in their operational strategies.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.13, but BOK Financial delivered $2.89. That's a beat of 76 cents. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance relative to market expectations?
This significant EPS beat demonstrates BOK Financial's strong financial management and ability to exceed market expectations. With only 2 analysts covering the stock, such a substantial beat can enhance investor confidence and potentially attract more analyst coverage in the future.
Key takeaways. In summary, BOK Financial has delivered an impressive quarter with record earnings per share, strong loan and deposit growth, and effective cost management. John, any final thoughts on BOK Financial's investment prospects?
BOK Financial's strong financial performance and strategic growth initiatives position it well for future success. Investors should keep an eye on their continued ability to manage interest margins and expand their loan portfolio. Overall, It's a promising outlook for BOK Financial.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BOK Financial's performance in the comments below.